What is a system on a chip, SoC? The integrated heart of the mobile device. A system on a chip, SoC, is an integrated circuit, IC, that acts as the complete, central electronic system of a mobile device, such as a smartphone. It takes nearly all the key components that would traditionally be scattered across a large desktop motherboard and miniaturizes them onto a single microchip. This integration is what makes modern smartphones so compact yet powerful. Compactness and power efficiency. The SoC design delivers two crucial benefits for mobile devices. First, it saves substantial physical space, allowing devices to be significantly thinner and lighter. Second, by minimizing the distance data has to travel between components, it drastically reduces the required energy for communication, leading to superior power efficiency and longer battery life. Ultimately, this single-chip solution ensures faster communication between critical parts, resulting in a snappier, more responsive user experience. Dissecting the essential components. The power of an SoC comes from integrating several specialized processing units. The chip isn't just one brain, it's a coordinated team of processors working together. The core processing units. At its heart is the central processing unit, CPU, the primary execution engine that runs the operating system and performs general calculations. Complementing this is the graphics processing unit, GPU, a specialized engine focused entirely on rapidly rendering images, videos, and complex 3D graphics, which is vital for gaming and smooth scrolling. Specialized engines for modern tasks. Modern SoCs rely heavily on specialized hardware for advanced tasks. The image signal processor, ISP, is dedicated solely to handling the raw data coming from the camera sensors, rapidly converting it into the final image or video file. For features like voice recognition, facial authentication, and advanced photo enhancement, the Neural Processing Unit, NPU, or I accelerator is included to efficiently speed up artificial intelligence, I, and machine learning, ML, tasks. The communications and memory infrastructure. Beyond the core brains, the SoC integrates all necessary communication links. The modem manages all wireless communication protocols, including 4G LTE, 5G Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, ensuring the device can connect to the outside world. The role of controllers. The chip also includes controllers that manage data flow. This includes modules that interface with the device's internal RAM, for short-term data, and controllers that communicate with peripherals via standards like USB. These interfaces and controllers ensure all parts of the phone can talk to the SoC reliably and quickly. SoC versus traditional desktop CPU. The major distinction between an SoC and a traditional desktop CPU is the scope of integration. A desktop CPU is just one component requiring a separate graphics card, memory controller, and chipset on the motherboard to function. An SoC, however, contains the CPU and all those other necessary elements, GPU, modem, ISP, NPU, etc., on a single piece of silicon. Furthermore, mobile SoCs primarily use the ARM architecture, prioritizing power efficiency and thermal management, while desktop CPUs often use the x86 architecture, which historically prioritizes raw performance.